Asian Games, yes, it's full of high-tech. In 2023 Hangzhou Asian Games, you'll see some really cool stuff like robot dogs, transporting javelins, shot puts, and even cheerleaders. What's interesting is that this is the first time anywhere in the world that we've used the robotic dogs to move sports gear during a big sporting event. These robot dogs kind of look like real dogs with 4 legs, and that's why we call them quadruped robots. These new generation robot dogs can do all sorts of things, from number crunching to language translating and even helping with directions. So, with these high-tech pups around, the Asian Games got a big dose of innovation and tech. Follow me, I'll show you more of China's high-tech innovations.